out to my channel. I know I ain't been on this cooking channel in a good little minute, so I'm back on this cooking channel. So see, I'm trying to do new hobbies and stuff. So I'm cooking me some cracked chicken, my own version of cracked chicken. Y'all, don't mind me, it's my own version of cracked chicken, y'all. So I'm sitting here cooking. So y'all see me cook all through this video until it get done. So yo, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and my cooking girls, let's get into it. Let's get to cooking these chicken strips. Girl, I got some carrots, but first we're gonna cook the carrots first. And then we got this right here, diced tomatoes, and then we got the chicken. So now I just gotta go pick out my whole seasonings. Hold on, y'all. So garlic powder, chicken seasoning, soul food seasoning, chili powder, lemon pepper, paprika. So this all the seasonings that we're gonna put in there. So we got lemon pepper, paprika, soul food seasoning, and chicken seasoning. And then we got garlic powder and chili powder. So first we're gonna cook the carrots. So I need me a pot for my carrots. Okay. We're gonna put the chicken over here. So we got a little pot for my carrots. And then we're gonna cook the onions too. We're gonna saute some onions. So I'm a whole chef up with this bitch, y'all. Yeah, I'm a whole chef. So we're gonna take the carrots, put them in. Ooh, that's a lot. Oh, my stomach boiling. Yeah, that detox stuff working, y'all. My stomach boiling. Yeah. Oh, let's put some water in here. So I put a little bit of water in there. So let's saute the onions. So we're gonna put a little oil. Yeah. I know y'all wanna see that. Here we go. A little bit of oil. We're gonna wait till this oil get hot. So how we gonna season the chicken once we get them in there with all the flavors and stuff. Then we're gonna season it. So we got the carrots on over here. Carrots. So let's go ahead and open this pan. Y'all, I should start a whole cooking show. Yeah, that should be my new habit, my new hobby. Do a cooking show. Cause I've been cooking lately. We're gonna add all this up in there. Ooh, it smells like it smells like chili. So let's put onions in there. Y'all, my stomach is cracking up. So we gonna leave that to be. It about to smell good up in here. We got some onions in there, cooking. We're gonna let that cook down. We're gonna let that cook down. Mm-hmm. But we just gonna put a little chili powder in here with the onions. Mm-hmm. Just a little chili powder, y'all. A little chili powder. A little bit. So we got the carrots and the cookies. But hold on, y'all. Let me cut this down on 5. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be right back, y'all. Oh, the carrots over the cookies. Ooh, whoa! Look at them onions. They cooking good. Yep, they cooking down. I got them down low. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Ooh. I got them down low, y'all. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna cut these carrots. Let me see about the carrots. Hello, y'all. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, I don't like my carrots too soft, y'all. Mm-hmm. Oh, y'all, I don't know what this damn recipe is. I'm just cooking. I was just cooking something, y'all. I don't even know what the recipe is, but all I know, I'm cooking. Okay. Okay. Let's put the chicken in there. We're gonna onion. So all that flavor can get all up in that chicken, y'all. Mm-hmm. Let that flavor get in that chicken. Mm-hmm. Let's boil that down in that them onions. Yeah, that all the onions get in there and flavor that chicken. But now we're gonna add some more paprika, not paprika, chili powder. We're gonna add soul food seasoning. Mm-hmm. We're gonna add garlic powder. Mm-hmm. We're gonna add chicken seasoning. Chicken seasoning. And then what else we gonna add? Lemon pepper seasoning. We're gonna add a lemon pepper. Oh, whoa. And then we're gonna throw in some paprika. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get that seasoning in there. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes, ma'am. It smells good up in here. Golly. I'm gonna post this on my cooking channel too. So I'm gonna post all this that I'm doing on this blog on this. I'm posting on my cooking channel too. Mhm. So I ain't been over there in a good little minute. So we're gonna cut that up to 7. Mhm. So we're gonna take the oil and give it a little top on the top, and then we're gonna sprinkle that around. That oil will help that chicken thick. Mhm. I cut my carrot over here. So we're gonna put these in there and the carrots in there last when the chicken cooked down. So So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of water in there. Ooh. Y'all, I'm not no chef. No type of chef at all. So I'm just y'all. I'm just trying something to cook, y'all. Just trying something, y'all. So we're gonna let that cook. And then we're gonna put the lid on her and let her cook. So we got the carrot. Put the lid on the carrot. So y'all, I'll be back when this get close to done. When this get close to done, I'll be right back. Y'all, we got the chicken falling apart. Look at this. Oh my God, look at this. Ooh, ooh. You can just pull it apart. Ooh. And the onions cooked down real good. So now we're gonna put the sauce up in there. Come on, man. These is diced potatoes. Ooh. I believe. Oh. Right here. Oh, look how good that chicken is breaking loose, y'all. My God, today. Oh, it smells good, y'all. It smells good. So we're gonna go ahead and put the carrots in there. And then we still gonna let it cook down some more. So yeah. And then we're gonna plate it, girl. This is the fast. You get a little thin cut the thin cut chicken breast and stuff. Oh my God. It like the chicken tenders, thin cut. Oh God. I got to taste that chicken, make sure it's seasoned right. Let's see. Let's taste the chicken, make sure it's seasoned right. Hold up, y'all. So this called for soul food, chicken seasoning right here. Well, you could taste some peppers. You could taste it too. Ooh, tastes so good. I know that season to perfection. Ooh. So y'all, we're gonna put the lid over it, and then we're gonna let this cook a little bit more. Y'all, if y'all wanna go make this y'all self, y'all can, because this cooking video gonna be up today. Today it's gonna be up. So but the whole vlog gonna be up Saturday. So yeah. So yeah. But if y'all want to make this yourself, go get y'all some carrots. Go get y'all some thin cut chicken tenders. Go get y'all some Mexican rotel right here. Mexican rotel. Cut up y'all some. Get y'all an onion. Not too big of an onion. All you need is a little onion, y'all. Unless y'all like all the onions like that. And put whatever seasoning you want to put in it. And baby girl, woo, you would like it, girl. So I put a half a bag of carrots. How many carrots you want to put in it? You can pick how much carrots you want to put in it, and you can make how much chicken you want to put in it, and cut how many onions you want to put in there, girl. But I use 1 can of rotel, Mexican rotel right here. Click that so y'all can go get it. Yeah. And it smells so good, y'all. It got the whole house feeling good. It got the whole house feeling good. But yeah, I'll come back when I get ready to put this on the plate. Y'all gonna like this. I'm gonna taste it for y'all. See, all over together and taste it for y'all. So y'all, okay, so the food is done, y'all. So let's put it on the plate. So, yep, they get some carrots and some of that rotel and some onions. They get some of the onions right now. Oh. Look at that. Ooh, whoa. So y'all, let's come over here and we're about to taste it. Oh, I'm working on my cookbook. Yep. Let's see. Look at that. Yep, look at that. Yep. Let's take the carrot. Oh, baby, they cook just like I like them. They get some of that rotel in the onion. Yeah, that's teeth. So we got some chicken. Put a little carrot on there. Put a little rotel. Oh my God, that is fire. Oh, we gotta make this again. I'm glad I wrote it down. All the seasoning come together. Yep. So you cook it till the water about to run out, y'all. That's how long you cook it. When you get everything in there. But do not let the water run all the way out. Bitch, I'm eating. Oh my God. Bitch, I'm going to town eating now. I'm going to town eating. And that chicken just fall apart too. So y'all, this is it for this cooking video. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Follow my social media down below. Use my social down below. And baby girl, I'll see y'all in the next cooking video. Love y'all. Bye.